Hello, this is Mako Ikeda, yes.
I'm introducing Daiso items picked by a 100 yen shop fan. This time, I'll introduce some uniquely shaped storage items and convenient goods. I'll review them as I use them, so use this as a reference before shopping. Let's begin with the first item, a rotating pen holder. This costs 200 yen. Yes, if you look at it from above, you'll see that the center is a round space, with both large and small compartments. There are 7 compartments in total. The back has a non-slip feature, and this part rotates. If you store pens or other items and rotate this part, it spins easily like this. It's super smooth. And if you look from the side, it's slightly slanted so you can put items of different heights in it. There's a groove in the front, so it's easy to take things out from the front as well. It's not just for pens, it's also great for storing cosmetics or makeup brushes, right? Yes. Also, the front part here has a little step, and only this part is transparent. Like this, the divider can be removed. Well, if you remove it, you can't really put things inside, but if you just want to display something, I think it's fine. Anyway, the divider is removable. That's the type it is. If it's the type that rotates like this, you can easily pull things stored in the back to the front. So it's easy to take things in and out. I think it will fit in nicely with any room, and it's pretty convenient. Many people struggle to keep their desks organized, so placing something like this nearby helps prevent frequently used items from getting scattered. Alright, next is this. It's an accessory storage case, and this one is a 300 yen item. Here is the main body. The top and bottom are beige, and the middle part is a clear case. To open this, you just need to twist the case itself. Yes, when you do that, the case comes out like this. And when you put it back, it fits compactly. This is a 3-tiered case with 9 compartments on the bottom, 2 in the middle, and 1 on the top. So, you can store small earrings in the bottom tier, and slightly larger items can be separated and stored in the upper 2 tiers. The very top acts as a lid, so you don't have to worry about dust getting in. If you leave it slightly open like this, dust might collect. But it also looks stylish, kind of like an interior decoration, doesn't it? Sometimes the lid might be left like this, so I think you need to get used to handling it a bit. But once you get used to it, I don't think it's a problem at all. Also, if it were the drawer type, you could pull it out and use it while it's on the desk. But this one opens by sliding to the side like this. If you're going to use it on your desk, I think it's best to leave some space around it as well. Just take the whole case as it is. It's much easier to find things like this. So I feel like it's basically easier to use if you hold it and use it this way. There's no stiffness at all, and you can slide it easily with just a light touch, so it seems like you can quickly take out what you need. Thanks to it being clear, it's also easy to see at a glance where you put everything. Daiso keeps releasing so many cases. Their evolution is impressive. Here it is, a 3-tier height-adjustable tray. This item costs 300 yen. Yes, the main body looks like this. It's a clear case. It comes with 3 dividers, and you can freely adjust their height. Previously, I introduced a pen case with dividers that could be stored diagonally in the front, but this time the shelves are flat, and you can adjust the height. So, it's easier to store slightly larger or taller items inside. There are lots of holes in the back, so you can freely adjust the height. To remove a shelf, just lift it up and pull it toward you. Yes, it's easy to take out like this. To put it back, just do the opposite. Pass it through the holes and then lower it down. Slide. Yes, it fit in just like this. And since this is a fairly tall case, I think you can store a lot of things in it, whether it's around the wash basin or on your desk. Creams and such are often taller than you'd expect, and when you buy new ones, the height can change again, but with this, you can adjust the height each time and you can customize it to fit what you want to store. So that's really convenient. Sometimes there's unexpectedly wasted space above, but with a tall case like this, you can make effective use of the space. Technically, the shelf has 3 levels, but you can also use the very bottom section. So I think you can store a lot. Alright, next is this. It's a travel tote bag that you can wash as is. This one is a 100 yen item. Yes, this is the product. It's a simple beige color and quite large and sturdy. Recently, there have been more and more laundry nets that you can use as they are, but this one is shaped like a bag, and I just realized when I opened it, the handles can be tucked inside. I'm really happy about that. Yes, when you open the zipper, the handles come out like this. So when you want to carry it, you can put the bag over your shoulder like this, and when you want to store it or put it in the washing machine, you can tuck the straps inside, just like I showed you earlier. Since you can zip it up, you don't have to worry about it getting tangled, which is reassuring. And if you look closely, there's a gusset at the bottom, so it looks like you can store a lot in it. The net itself also has just the right amount of firmness and feels really sturdy. It's not that bulky, so I think it's easy to carry around. And when you do the laundry, please make sure to tuck in this zipper part. With this, whether you're traveling, going to the pool or the beach, or even to the gym, you can put your change of clothes in here. When you get home, you can just wash everything as is, so it really saves time. It's long enough, so it's the perfect size to carry on your shoulder without any problem. This is actually more of a travel tote bag that you can wash as is, rather than just a laundry net, so I think you can use it just like a regular bag. It's true for clothes and anything that gets dirty easily, like toys or beach float rings. It's great for carrying things like that around. And you can also just put this whole thing in the washing machine to wash it together with your clothes. So you can use it as a bag for things that get dirty easily too. If you have just one of these, it seems like you can use it for anything. If you're interested, please try looking for it. Okay, next is this cosmetic spatula that doesn't get sticky at the tip. Here's the main body. This spatula is made of stainless steel, so it's resistant to rust and seems like it will last a long time. And above all, the shape is nice. It has a curve like this, and the tip is elevated. With a flat spatula, the tip would touch the surface when you set it down. But with this one, the tip doesn't touch, so you can use it hygienically. Isn't this really great? For example, if you have a shelf or a case like this and you place this spatula on top of it, yes, like this, the tip of the spatula is elevated. You can clearly see that it's lifted. And another thing I really liked is this handle part. Since this part is also curved, I found it easy to pick up this spatula as well. Speaking of spatulas, they're usually completely flat, so when you pick them up, you have to slide them or use your nails, which can be a bit difficult. But with this one, when you set it down like this, both the tip and the handle are raised, so you can just grab it quickly. You can use it just like that. It's really well thought out. With its slightly rounded tip, it should be easy to scoop up cream. Since it's made of stainless steel, you could probably use a magnet to hang it up or store it easily. If you've ever been bothered by having to lay your spatula flat, please check this out. Alright, here it is. I bought a 2-piece acrylic seal mirror for 100 yen. I previously got something similar at another 100 yen shop and found it very convenient, so I bought it again. Yes, this one has a bit of a nuanced shape. Also, it comes as a set with a bear design. And since the back is already a sticker, you can just peel off this backing paper and stick it on as is. Okay, I've peeled off the film. And when you compare them like this, I feel like the bear-shaped one shows up a bit more on zoom. I have both displayed on the monitor and even up close. The bear-shaped one seems to appear a bit more zoomed in. This nuance-shaped one looks more like a regular mirror. These are stickers I got at Can Do before, and you can stick them on your phone or cosmetics like this. You can easily stick them anywhere, so you can quickly check the mirror whenever you need to. It's no longer about style for me. I've prioritized functionality, so it's very simple. But adding a mirror here makes it convenient. Sometimes when I want to reapply my lipstick, or since I often get something in my eye, I can quickly check my eyes too. Being able to check things quickly has made everything go more smoothly. And then, this is also a mag bomb that you can use all over your body. I've attached a mirror to the back of this case, so if you stick it on like this, you can easily check around your face or your temples. You can use or apply it anytime. When you want to apply makeup around your eyes, you can do it while looking in the mirror. So you just open it and flip it to the back, which really saves a lot of time. In the same way, if you just stick this mirror near the things you use often, you can quickly check yourself anytime, so please try looking for this as well. Alright, so today I introduced some items I bought at Daiso. If there are any items that caught your interest, please be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Well then, this was Mako Ikeda. Bye-bye!